Okay, okay. After a long try, I am able to go live in. I don't know what's the problem. There are lots of network bandwidth issue probably. Anyway, I am going to demo the Firefox AI Studio. So this is the studio.firebase.google.com. It is actually Google Firebase Studio where you can like create your own website from a single code and deploy and point them to your own domain as you like. Actually, it is actually cloud based, but again, you don't need to go for these things. You can host your website on your local system, and as long as the IP tunnel working is properly, then you can host your site from your local system easily. Just you need to do some port forwarding from where I would like to show you. In just I have used big rock, and you can create your own port forwarding, or like I should say, domain forwarding. Okay, you can do. So anyway, this is the Firebase Studio. I have created a website and hosted in Big Rock. You can, as I have earlier demoed you drone delivery. I can show you the URL. Yeah, this is the site actually, which I have created. You can see from Firebase Studio. So that is this drone dispatch. This is so when I am starting this setting of workspace and starting this, so it will get the website from there actually. So it was in archive state. You can put it your own hosting system in your local host, or you can purchase some static IP, and which is costing around 2000 or 2500 or so. And using static IP, which is actually given by Alliance, Airtel, and Reliance Geo, and Geo Air Fiber also. So this is the they have you can see also. So this is the page I have created from just from only one query. There are lots of some final touches are there pending, but I am still thinking if I am going to going forward with this build or not, because some parts I need to edit. I need to check get in my own system and integrate with my own hosting environment, so that I don't need to go for cloud, because it's not good to get dependence on to be depend on clouds. So create a single page web page for drone delivery startup page with founder as me. So this AI has got this wrong, because they are having some personal data, although I have connected with my personal cloud data. So it should get my email address and my name easily, but it is saying this is. So I think Manus or DeepSeek is not going to commit this type of errors anyway. So this is the thing. You can it will do everything in between. So it will check create colors, check the colors. It will be using a prototype. So it will be saying first that what are the stacks it is going to use: Gemini, GenKit, and TypeScript, Next.js, Tailwind, CSS. So when I'll be clicking on the prototype, I can do this, or I can publish it because it's already published. Uh, it's Gemini API key. I can edit the code. So where I want to edit the code, I want to edit the code for my name, and I would like to update that build only. So this is actually a online browser also in build. So you don't need to have your own browser in your system. So index uh, mm, yeah app. Okay, so in page tsx. Yeah. Me here founder name I would like to change as Sujoy. Okay. So I have saved it. Last mile founder name and I need to upload a picture of myself. I don't want to use lots of uh, I would like to add another field here, email. Mm, okay, so yeah, uh, like this. Okay, one second. I know how to do. I don't know to. Okay, it's got. I have got it. So I would like to refresh this page. It's but totally real time building. So you can get your. Okay, one second. Okay, so you need to save this. To control S. Okay, control S. So then you need to restart and redeploy. Rebuild actually the project. Web, Gemini. Okay. So I would like to go for this Gemini. Is it? Is there some errors? Where are errors? Oh, what is the error? What is the error? Did I miss something? Okay, so update the project. You can. There are lots of ways you can do jobs actually. Uh, yeah, let's comment stage. Stage. What? Yes. And so let's execute and build it. And if there are some errors, it will like I can debug it automatically. Okay, so because this is a little bit slow, so that's why I wanted to property problem. Okay, let's stop it actually. Don't need to go into these things. Get filled. Yes. Okay, 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 good. Guys, let's see how it is getting edit in the code if it is able to. No, 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 no. To rebuild, I need to rebuild, I need to rebuild. Edit in the code. What I did, man. Uh, so the by this way you can change also. Like you can, I can use codes. Is there any error? Okay, from where I can build actually? Oh, this is okay. Probably I need to refresh the project. Let's see. To get started to source of HDX. What is my control shift P? I'm also managing build UI run build tasks. Because probably for each changes, like in a dynamic phases, we need to build the project again. So I wanted to build the project, not the environment. It's asking for environment. I don't know. Probably it's mentioning the environment as uh, let's see if it is not happening, then I need to go for. Okay, let's send this switch. I can close this switch. So this is the thing. What's they are getting? What's they are getting? Source app page. App page. So whenever so here I need to change. So I'll do that. I'll come back if I am getting it. Actually, it's easy. It's easy. Very easy. But the thing is that it's getting stuck. Add found the name as Sujoy. The name as Sujoy and add email as Atanu257 @gmail.com. Let's see, okay. Okay, so there are some. So this is the thing. Okay, so we need to change update the file. Updated. So okay, so in the way if I'm rewriting it, let's it's hot deploy or hot reload. Let's see, hot reload and full reload. It to do actually. Okay, full reload. Full reload. After that, I am going to do hard reset. Hmm, still, it's not there. Hard reset. Okay. If there are any problem, I can debug from here actually. From here, web console only. PSTX on which is constructor object. So it did not. Okay, I am going for this one only. This is actually oh my god, why it is so modify the entire project. Modify the project. Let's first modify the current project. Firebase will VUL. Okay. I was rebuilding, so I need to check. What are the things I can do extra? Oh, okay, run replay. Sorry, I have forgot. We need to run npm run deploy command fields. Npm run. I can run from here. I can run from here. Yeah. Command executed. Command succeeded. So npm run deploy. Okay. Npm run deploy. Okay. Debug log output problems object. So here, okay. So I would like to like change what I am looking at the time. I would like to change this. Does not exist. I need to debug it. Debug and build. More information on okay, this could you're trying to deploy your project and correct. We need to figure out, okay, if you are trying to error message, okay, you need to copy this follow message and you need to paste built in and you need to, yeah. So, what option like to proceed with? So, two. Just you enter two and it's preparing file changes. Update the file. Okay, it's updating the file. Updated. This okay. Then in terminal run the same command again and run deploy logs. What are the problems it is facing? Okay. Build means you need to know the steps how you are going to run and build. Command running, you can do this discharge next at build environment. This is running. Actually, I want to do all these things locally. I'll do and I'll show them later. I'm going to take all these things, all this project in my as a zip file, and from that zip file, Okay, it is saying completed successfully. It's building. It's running in the cloud. These are the steps actually. Press any key to close it. Okay. So here, here this. It is making things harder actually. A lot harder. A replit is much better actually. Because in replit it does everything. Just after telling it catches from the because it is okay. Message edit fields. Format message. Format, then, changed for fields. Use publish branch. Okay. Continue. Use the code github.com. Everywhere they ask for code. Okay. One second, I'm stopping. So, deployed on your device. My goodness, what is the code? GitHub. Okay. Deploy device activation. GitHub device activation. It is asking for GitHub actually. Oh, device activation. GitHub.com. Uh, so I have shown you some basic functionalities of Firebase. So from there you can get started also. I have updated my two-factor authentication. I have enabled. Uh, I have to factor authentication. I have enabled GitHub. So from here settings, I have two factors. Make profile private, include private contributors. Okay, no, I don't need to update. Developer program. No, not to subscribe to GitHub developer program. Select on the account, support email address. Okay, product email. So you need to configure the something into GitHub developer program actually. Uh, I believe I have already joined in their developer program, so, but just I want to show you the developer program screen. Okay, so you can see I have joined this. I have already tried to getting started developer program. Tell us about an integration with GitHub. So I don't know what's the use. Uh, anyway, this my profile there and JAWS profile security, code security, SSH password billing enterprise, authentication account. I have updated this full name. You have not designed a successor. Event of my death. Tune. Let's see. Oh, course. This tune. Uh, choose security. What? Password and authentication. Finger at a Google. Passkey is synced. Two-factor authentication enabled. So where are the problems, man? Authenticator app. Okay, because passkey is not working. SMS I have added. Hmm. Oh, okay, I have updated it also. And security keys, SMS text message, authentication code. Okay. Okay, everywhere I need to put this authenticator code. So let's verify. Let's verify. So I did everything to verify my account, my country, my region. I have tried to comply with their rules. Every time I never do. Okay, these puzzles are not working. Yes. So I did some puzzles. That was not right. Okay, try again. Okay. This is really not correct. Okay. I did these things earlier, man. I did all these things earlier. I am redoing them. I don't know how or else my account got hacked or not. I don't know. There are lots of turbulence gone actually. Uh, so send authentication code. I have just, I did everything, man. I don't know why it is showing every time that my GitHub having some issues. I don't know. I means absolutely I don't know. Even my mobile GitHub also stopped working for some days. Probably Microsoft did all these things anyway. Uh, sign into uh, uh, sign in. Every time I used. Probably I need to restart GitHub means uninstall and reinstall this one. There are some issues. Probably they have due to various trade restrictions or tariff related things. They have probably blocked this. Might be anything can happen. I'm going to uninstall and reinstall. Let's check them. Python master. Okay. So I don't know everything in my profile is verified. So I don't know why it is every time getting issues. So okay, I can show some definite progress later. Thanks. Bye.